Yo, what's up, guys? It's me, Chidori Games. Back with a video. Okay, so we're gonna be playing Among Us again. Well, let's go. Well, what would be imposter or crewmate? Oh, it's crewmate. I'm a crewmate, guys. Don't vote me. The jokes are so not funny. I'm gonna go to. I have a task in navigation. Oh, God. Okay, I stabilized the steering. Okay, I gotta clean an O2 filter. Zero 7 3 5 2 0 7 3 5 2. Oh no! Wait, 8 7 3 5 2. Phew! Wait, I was actually the one who stopped that meltdown. I think it was a reactor meltdown. No, it wasn't. I think it was O2 something something. Okay. Yeah, I swipe the card. I'm very good at swiping the card, guys. Oh no, Blue died. Blue freaking died. Chris FNAF died. Five Nights at Freddy's? Oh no, maybe he got jump scared. No, I'm just gonna say Kristen died. Kristen died. No, nah, I'll not say Chris died. I'll not say Chris no die. My grammar's so bad today, guys. Oh my god, I'm just gonna say. Huh? Two imposters remain, guys. I'm gonna test in medbay. And check the security cams. Oh no. Yeah, I swear that's not a task. Oh, just left. Oh god. Oh no. Uh, storage. I'll fix the wiring. Fix wiring. Hope I don't get imposter. Yeah. Someone's watching me at cams. Guys, I'll be right back. I just need to do some work off camera. Dude, purple and white are kinda sus, guys. Oh my god, purple and white were sus. Is an emergency meeting? Wait, someone died or is it an emergency meeting?
My heart will. Oops.